Welcome to the Easy English Learning Channel.
Today we learn daily action verbs with sentence and pictures.
Win. She trained hard and was thrilled to win the marathon. Lose. Despite their efforts, the team lost the championship game. Hurt. He hurt his ankle while playing soccer. Draw. She loves to draw portraits of her friends and family. Paint. They decided to paint their living room a vibrant blue. Search. The detective continued to search for clues to solve the mystery. Find. After hours of searching, she finally found her missing keys. Seek. He decided to seek advice from a professional counselor. Cut. She carefully cut the paper into intricate shapes. Cook. She learned to cook delicious Italian dishes from her grandmother. Taste. She couldn't wait to taste the freshly baked cookies. Smell. The kitchen smelled amazing with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Hear. She could hear the birds chirping early in the morning. Travel. They plan to travel to Japan next summer. Fly. The pilot announced they would fly over the Grand Canyon. Swim. She swims laps at the pool every evening. Dive. He loves to dive into the ocean and explore the underwater world. Cry. He couldn't help but cry when he watched the emotional movie. Laugh. The comedian's jokes made everyone laugh until they cried.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.